back to another fun-filled episode with me, Life According to Maria. Thank you again for joining me, and if you are new to this channel, I hope that you take the time and opportunity to subscribe and hit that little bell button so that we can all become friends, and it's a wonderful community here. Okay, enough of that. So today's video is going to be a little bit about my Marshall finds. I've gotten two things that I am absolutely in love with that have to do with skincare, and I wanted to pass it on to you guys. So this is not going to be a very long video. I'm just going to talk about my review of these two products. I have been using them for 3-4 weeks now, so it's been a little bit of a while, and I was able to, get a good feel of how this is working for my skin. I am a mature woman in my 50s, high 50s, and I look at everything on how it affects our skin as mature women. What is good for someone that is in their teens or 20s or 30s is not necessarily appropriate or good for our age group. So I really focus on trying things out for our age group, and if I find something really good, I go ahead and pass it on to you guys. So that's where I'm about. So two things that I've got. Again, I got it from Marshall's, and I've got the price on one of them. The other one I don't think is that expensive either, but let me put on my little granny glasses here so I can read it, and then I'll unbox it for you guys. The first thing that I have been using, so this month, so January 2020, is the Azure 24 karat gold vitamin C moisturizing day cream. It's supposed to be smoothing, lifting, and anti-aging. So there is that. Show that for you guys, and it's in a pretty big box. It's 1.69 fluid ounces, and it comes in a really nice bottle here. I called it bougie the other day in one of my videos, but I really like it. Love the scent on it, and not an overpowering scent. It's just it's almost like a cucumbery, fresh kind of scent to it. And I love it's just a white cream. It's a really nice texture. It's a day cream. It's not a night cream. I feel a lot of water content in it, a lot of moisture content in it. So it's very luxurious to put on your skin. In the morning, you can put this under your makeup. It goes right into your skin. There it goes. It's done. It's gone. And it just leaves your skin really beautifully plump and ready to accept, anything as far as makeup or other products that you might put on your face. I have been really liking it. I have been on the search for a day cream for quite a while. I haven't really, been gravitating to a lot of them that I have tried. Oh, I forgot to put the little top on here. Hang on a second. And so I haven't really talked to you guys a lot about day creams because I only talk to you guys about things that I really feel excited about and want to show you. Of course, if it's something disastrous and I find something that's, basically I want to warn you guys not to even go near it, I will talk to you about it. But if it's just like a meh attitude, I tried it, nothing spectacular, I don't really come up here and talk about the mediocre, let's just say mediocre products. I usually talk to you guys about the products that I'm very excited about. So this one is definitely one for excitement. I like it. I've been using it. My face looks really nice and hydrated. I am wearing a little makeup, full disclosure. Just a little tinted moisturizer today. I'm getting ready to go and run some errands, so I did put myself together, and I just did a get ready with me for you guys on that too. But I have been using this as my day cream out the door as I'm going to work, and I've been loving it, especially for the winter months. Day cream, hydration, moisturizer, anything like that during the day is a must to keep your skin protected from the winter, from the harsh weather outdoors, okay? The second one that I wanted to talk to you about, this is from Pearlessence Firming Eye Cream. It's got caffeine and peptides in it. Caffeine is known as an anti-puffy, you know, enzyme or whatever you call it, for your eye area, under eye area. And I have been using this under my eye before makeup. I use this twice a day. I do use it in the morning under my makeup or under my moisturizer before I go out, and I do use this at night after my cleansing routine. When I take off all my makeup, I do put this on as one of the steps, okay, for under my eye. I do switch around with this and just some regular night cream for under my eye. I haven't really found a night eye cream yet that I am woo-woo about, but I am on the hunt for it. So if I ever come up and find one, I will definitely come back here and talk to you guys about it. This is in a pipette. This is how it looks like. It's got a milky texture to it there. I don't know if you see it. There it is. It's kind of milky texture, and there it is plopping down there. You just put one drop on your finger, and then I, you know, disperse it with my two fingers like this, and then I just go underneath my eye, pat it all in, and I do see significant difference, especially in the morning with my sleepy eye and my puffiness, just getting up and going. I see in a matter of minutes that the caffeine is taking effect, and I definitely see my under eye going down in puffiness, so it is ready to accept, you know, makeup and concealer or anything else that I put on there. It plays very well with most of the concealers that I've owned and have, so I don't have any problem with it bunching up or balling or caking or doing anything like that. So that's it. I just gosh, I think this is one of my quickest videos, guys. I'll try to find how much the firming eye serum is. Again, I think it's no more than like $5.99, $4.99. I usually don't pay a lot at Marshall's for skincare. They usually have skincare at a deeply discounted price. I do look at anything to do with expiration date or anything like that. I did not see anything on here, and these are, oh, here it is. Yeah, here it is. Okay, I did find it on the cream, so I will tell you, for example, the expiration date on this is 12/23 2022. So being 2020, you have plenty of time to go through this. You have like 2 years time to go through this. And I don't know on this one. I don't see it on the bottle, and I couldn't find the box that it came in. I looked diligently upstairs, but I couldn't find the box. But I do usually check all the expirations, and it was well within the expiration range for, you know, going into this year. So I had no problem finding and using it and buying it. I do caution you on some of these TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Do try to see what the expiration date is on some of the cosmetics, because they are closeout cosmetics, and they've usually been on the shelf probably in the primary department store for about 3 to 6 months, and then they are basically sold off in a lot to Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and that is basically you know, how they end up at those stores. And so you might only have, you know, 6 to 9 to 12 months of usage left in them. So just be careful about that. Anyway, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Thank you so much again for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up. If you can, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. We are a wonderful, wonderful, mature community tribe. We share, we have respect for each other. It's all about positivity here, and I look forward to hearing from you. Leave your comments below, and I will be sure to reply. I reply to all my comments. I love you guys. Bye.